Yes, hello everyone, welcome back again to this video and welcome back again to Now Max TV. In this video I'm going to show you how you can convert long video into short ones by using AI. So you are also wanting to convert, for example, the video of 10 minutes or the video of 20 minutes, the video of 3 minutes, and also want to be converting into short of 1.30 minutes. You want to convert into video short of 30 seconds. Also, that is where you can be using this method I'm going to show you, and also be able to obtain various shots from that video, various short video from that long video you have. So without this wasting time, let's get started. But before also we get started, remember to subscribe to this channel, Now Max TV. Like this video, share this video to our friends, and if you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. So to be able to do this, also you need to be having a video as well. What you need to do, you need to be having the long video you want to be converting, and also need to be having your tool, either computer, either phone, that you'll be using to access this AI, artificial intelligence tool I'm going to be showing you. And also you need to be having in mind what kind of video, how long is it, do you want to be also converting, or do you want to be converting from that long ones. Then after that, you need to be coming into your browser and type of video.ai. If you type of video.ai, this is the platform that's going to be helping you to be converting this video into short ones. So once you type it, you are going to be visiting it. So this is also the platform that also is costly, and also you can be using it for free. As you can see, it has a pricing, and also we're not going to be using pricing now. As you see, you have a free plan that you can be using here, and also that is where you have 75 minutes of upload unlimited, which is upload one video at a time. You have also limitations, and also have 5 videos at a time, depends on the plans, and also you need to choose which plan do you want to go with. So let's go with the free plan and also be able to continue with this one. So I need to be choosing this one, which I want to be going with. If I come here to sign up, that is where I'm going to be directed to the platform where I can also start updating the video, and also I can be choosing to sign up either with my Gmail account or with the other options. As you can see, I have already signed up on this platform, and you see I have a free plan on this platform, which means that I'm using a free plan to be able to access or to be able to convert my video into short ones. So as you see, also they are counting the minutes of upload. What I need to do, you see I'm logged out, so let me try logging in, and also going back to the situation where I was, to be able to show you how we can convert the video as well. So you can see I have also you can see, because they are telling me that I had 65 minutes remain over 75 minutes, because I have converted my video, one video which is here, and also they are telling me that I am remaining with 65 that I have also to convert. You can see you renews every month, which means every month I'm going to be having 75 minutes for videos to be able to convert into short ones. So now you see I have already uploaded the video. So if you want to be uploading the video, I want to be coming here and add a new video. So if you have YouTube link, that is what you are going to be pasting here, and also be able to generate the video. You will have to wait and start imports. If you have video on your device, either or cloud storage, you have to be also selecting it from here, and also you have to choose the versions. As you can see, the video type that you want to be used. So you have also 5 GB for free, and also 15 GB for pro plans. And also, because we're using a free plan and I have already added video, if you want to be selecting it from your device, either on your computer or your phone, that is why I'm going to be clicking here, then also choose the one. If you have on other drive and want to be using the link, also you have to be pasting the link here. So now I have the video uploaded here, which is ready. That means I have already uploaded the video, and I'm going to be converting it into short ones. I'm going to be trimming it. I'm going to be also having the video and also having the long ones, which is the original, and I'm going to be having the short ones. So now let me click review and clips. So if I review clips, that is where I'm going to be obtaining the sources. I'm going to be obtaining the parts that also are existing in my video. As you can see, they are saying that they have also determined let me see, shorts are small snippets up to 1 minute in length. So now if you come to, you see they have also determined I have 3 minutes video, and also they have found it for shorts from this video. You can see also they have found that they have 2 chapters in this video, which is how to get serial number, and also I can click here and also see the next chapter from this video. If I want to be editing 2 chapters from this video, that is why I'm going to be clicking there. So if I want to be shorts, I'm going to be coming to shorts. If I have to be going to entire video, that is where I have to select the entire video and see the entire video as well. The entire video, which means is the video that I had on my computer, also the one I uploaded there. So I want shorts from the video. What I need to do, I need to be coming here and select which short I want to be converting. For example, if I choose this one, that is what I want to be converting. So for this, I want to be clicking edit and download video. So from edit and download video, that is where I'm going to be editing the short one that I have already trimmed, and after that I want to be downloading it. So as you can see, it is now trimmed into 53 second video, and what I need to do, I need to be also selecting which templates that I want to be going with. I have to select the one. Once I'm done, I'm going to be hitting also the save. I can save template to be continuing with. I can also choose either to be square, to be portrait, to be portrait strip, and also depends on which size of the video I want and which nature of the video that I want to be getting from my longer ones. So after this, what I need to do is also to download the video by hitting on the download option on the top. That means I have this one. Also, you can be editing the video and also be able to filter depending on which option you want to be editing. For example, I have this 5-minute video. So if I come here and also be able to get these short ones, and also if I come on this timeline, that's where I can be changing the video. For instance, if I click here and come here, you can see I'm reducing the video here, which means I can even start from the different locations where I want to be starting. If I click here, also that is where I can be trimming and also going to another starting point of the video, which is different from the ones suggested. So once I'm done also converting my video, for example, let me remain with the 4-minute video or the 3 seconds video. So what I have to do is that I'm going to be let me do the short video so that I can download it first. And you see, so I have now 18 short seconds. What I need to do, I need to come here and download video. So as you can see, I have 7220p, which means I'm going to be using a free. If I want to be downloading 1080p, that is where I want to be using a pro version, but I'm not using a pro version. That's the reason why I'm going to be downloading this video quality, which is 720. So I click confirm. Once I hit on confirm, that is why I'm going to be waiting, and also what I have to do, I have to wait it to be exporting. Once exported, I'm going to be downloading it to my computer as well. So you can see your video is already exporting, and also you can find your final video in the home download section. You can also close this window and continue working on more videos. That means once done converting, that is where it is exporting. As you see, it is downloading at the top, and you can see this my video also is already downloaded on my computer, and I can be opening this video on my computer and see I have 433 kilobytes of the video, which is the size because it has been already also exported, and also it has been now minimized into, or also shortened into short video. So thank you for watching this video. This is how you can be also shortening your long video into short ones. That means if you have a long video and you are asking yourself either the tools that you can be using, or you don't need to download any software that you can be using to trim your video, to shorten your video. You don't need to download any software to edit your video. By only using this AI tool, these artificial intelligence tools, which is the website, you can be able to edit your video, to shorten your video, and also be getting the short video from the long ones, and also you can be uploading it anywhere. So you can be using our video on social media, you can be using your video everywhere. So remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel TV. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in a comment section. Also turn notification bell button so as you always get updated when you upload a new video here at Now Max TV.